Here's the ingredient that you need: a white wine vinegar, peppercorns, onion, and an empty jar of water. Hi guys, today I would like to share with you one of my all-time favorite pickled onion recipe. First, we're going to slice the Spanish onion. You can do this with the red onion as well, and the result will be almost the same. So we're going to halve the onion, remove the skins, and then after that we are going to slice it into slices and put it in the jar. You can actually flavor the onions with other ingredients like maybe a bay leaf, a piece of chili, or really anything that you love to put in for the pickle. Okay, now we slice the onion. Slice it thinly. And be careful when you are slicing, don't slice your hand. Okay, we are almost done. Okay, let's put everything in the jar. So next we are going to weigh the vinegar. We are going to use 50% vinegar and 50% of water. Here I'm going to weigh 100 grams of vinegar, followed by 100 grams of water. And after this we are going to boil the water and the vinegar. Okay, now let's boil the vinegar and water. Bring it to a boiling temperature. And we are almost there. And now we are going to pour all the vinegar and water in the jar. So when it's done, we are going to tighten it, and we are going to put it in the chiller before we use it. We have to chill it maybe for 3 to 4 hours. Here there is a pickled onion that I have made earlier with a red onion. As you can see, the mixture changes color to the onion color when it's ready. And it's all done, ready to eat.